Good evening. How you guys doing? Welcome. Hello. Captain Pine. Shocksta. Joe Mega. Welcome. Good time to better I blind it. What show? 1 more month to 4 years. Goodness. Thank you for 47 months. Appreciate that. Holy crap. Etterfaust, how you doing? Welcome. Gigio? Gigio? Do I know what that... Should I know what that is? Never-ending internet addiction, yeah. So, this past week, some guy, hey, don't... Oops, you pressed it. Oh, Gun Gale Online. Okay, that's what I thought, but I didn't realize that they had a season going. All right. It's the Star Wars-esque looking one, right? Yeah. Bridgewater, how you doing? Welcome. So this past week, I got more tapes. And I finished recording all of them as of fucking, a day or two ago? Right? Everything's better than SAO. SAO is very mediocre. It's not like a dog shit anime. It's not. But then again, it isn't very good. It's okay. It's solid middle ground. It's at yeah. Kind of sad tensor. It's over. With a 3-year gap. Oh. That's right. I haven't watched anything recent. Ooh, just finished Serial Experiments Lane this past week and watch the next day. Rewatch the next day. I haven't watched that in a while. I need to rewatch that one. That one's due for a rewatch from me. That one's very good. Mostly okay. But the one's on Spoons. Spoons? Okay. On Spoons this week. I haven't got anything done at work. I have some stories for that later, but I'll give us some time before I get into those. As much as I would love to disagree to ASO being the anime that got into anime as a whole, but nah, that's objectively bad. Yeah, there's some scenes in it, specific scenes that I don't mind. But I've tried to rewatch it and I went, wow, this is no, I can't watch this. No. They announced the second movie and season 4. I don't think they mentioned a date. Yeah, that's usually how that is. Yeah. Was okay, but other than that, yeah. Gun Gale is better, but it's a low bar, Common metaphor for energy. That's the first I'm hearing of it, but all right. This illustrates the concept of limited personal energy to people who've never had the problem. Okay. Put a few spoons and a few more spoons than usual the past couple of days. Things have been getting done. Those are nice weeks. Yeah. Yeah, the one you die in a game, you die in real life. That one. When they put the headset on and you're trapped now. It's like okay, sure. Kind of expected Tensor. It's insanely popular. Yeah, I've been meaning to rewatch that one too for a while now. I just haven't gotten around to it. Doesn't narrow it down, but yeah, the OG one. That doesn't really narrow it down. It's like saying, oh yeah, that isekai anime, right? It's like, do you realize how little that narrows it down? It's like a shitty genre now, Yeah, I'm so far behind on shit. So far behind. I haven't even looked at the current season. I just... if you die outside, you die in real life. Yeah, I just haven't had the energy to look at anything current. I'm getting behind on, manga I'm reading, all right? The stuff that, I want to read through. It's not even, it's 20 pages a chapter. The short shit, right? MC reincarnates as a villain. See, that's a different kind of isekai, right? Because usually the standard isekai is like, oh, you reincarnate, you're the hero now, go, here's a sword, go kill the bad guy. But what about the reverse? I like the reverse of that better. Hey, you're the bad guy now, have fucking fun. Let's go. But anyway. Tensura was the Endless Meetings anime, the one that I ranted on Discord that one time, where I went through every fucking episode and outlined it. I we go from a meeting to a meeting outside because it's nice out. Then go back inside for the meeting. Because that's how the light novel was. It's going to be the weakest part of the series. Filler baked into the story. Yay. Where they talk about a thing they did off screen. They're like, stop it! Oh yeah, we went and talked to this guy and he wasn't happy, but it's okay now because we dealt with it and fought when we fought. Why did you show that to me, you bastards? No. Well, this is usually what happens. Usually what happens. Yeah. I hate the lore dumps. All right, I hate them. I feel like they could have done it better. It's still terrible writing. Yeah. Oh, it's true to the source material. Well, okay, well, the source material is garbage. Fucking, what do you want? Move on from me. Doesn't make it any better, but anyway. How dare they? Exactly, how dare they? Anyway, so these are the raw tapes for all of look it up. For all of the tapes, the raw audio for all the tapes. Some of the tapes, not very good. Not very good recordings on those. What is this one? Canada. Me this time. Becoming a citizen takes work. Meanwhile, you have no. So about this, if you die in Canada, you die in real life. So for this election, I'm moving to Canada. You say that every year. I mean it this time. Well, becoming a citizen takes work. Meanwhile, you have no money. Yeah. So I have homework for a friend of mine. I have to write a short little essay on why I think he should become a Canadian citizen. It's for his emigration because he's become a dual citizen and Canada. It's a real thing that I actually have to do. How many gigabytes of raw data is that? Let's see. Just the waves, 11. But if I go by the project files, that is 17 for the project files. Why? Why is he moving up there? Because that's where his wife lives. So, Arsis, how you doing, by the way? Welcome. Yeah, he's moving up to be with his wife. Big data on the Studybox. Yeah, a lot of data. No. Why did you become a Canadian citizen? Every place is better than the U.S. Is that enough of a reason? Right. So like, they got the marriage paperwork right, and then his wife is like, "Wait a minute, I can get you on Canadian healthcare now." He's like, "What? Let's go." So he's already like on better healthcare, the bastard. Rotten son of a bitch. I'm happy for him though. Don't get me wrong. I'm very happy for him. Why the essay? Whatever. I don't see other immigrants doing that. It's a sponsorship kind of thing to speed up the process a bunch, I guess. Instead of taking 20 years or whatever, this should only take about a year. but it's the whole like sponsorship process. So other people vouch for you, and there's like proof of like residency and commitment. I guess it's like a proof of commitment, right? Like yes, you really mean it. So it speeds the process up a little bit. So yeah. Rising UK healthcare. Hey, it's better than the US healthcare. Probably not by. I don't know if. It's a low bar. It's a low bar to be better than US healthcare, honestly. But still, you know. But yeah. So I'm helping with that. Adam Learns Live. Welcome. How you doing? We're just getting started. How is your stream? How much more committed do you need to be? I'm not sure how many details I can give away, so I'm not gonna really go into too many details. But it's a process. Yeah. It was nice we talked about the healthcare the whole time. Did you? Did you really? So tonight, private U.S. healthcare will be so much better than public. Meanwhile, the U.S. healthcare, yeah. Go bankrupt. You can't need healthcare. You see you in a few years. To give you an idea, some cancer waiting lists are 2 freaking years. Okay, if you break a leg and you need an ambulance, how much money do you have to pay for the ambulance? For here, it's like $1,000 a mile or some bullshit. All right, so like, you may have heard of people like joking about taking an Uber to the ER. That's not a joke. That's a legitimate thing. I have driven myself to the ER. Okay? Fucking U.S. healthcare. Anyway, so I don't want to get distracted on that now. So this is tape data. For a lot of it, it just worked, right? So, okay. So at first, I did try grabbing 96 kilohertz audio. If this wants to load, maybe there it goes. Okay, so this is 96 kilohertz audio, right? So I initially tried grabbing this because it's more samples, so many more samples, right? Oh my god, that double peak is terrible. Look at that double peak. Oh my god. But yeah, so I grabbed like more than 2 times the sample rate of what the Sour's utility could do, and I figured I'll just downsample it with FFmpeg or whatever the fuck, and then I'll run it. Process died horribly. Didn't work at all. So I have a needy cat. No, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Good to see you again. Good to see you. Appreciate the raid. You have a good night. But yeah, it didn't work at all. It just completely broke. Like immediately broke. So I'm like, well, shit. All right. So then this is the resample trim. This is just, no, don't play. Do not play. No. No. Do I have? Okay, you're not even hearing that, so let's turn it on for you too, so you can actually hear some of the stuff. So then I resampled it, and this is the trimmed version of it, right? Oh, I just trimmed off the edges, I guess. This didn't want to work. This didn't want to work at all. Even though look, oh, I see why it didn't want to work. Okay. Yeah, that double peak is disgusting. That is exactly why it didn't work. This double peak's absolutely everywhere. Oh my god. I didn't actually look at the wave data when it failed. I was like, oh shit, all right, I'll have to try again. Probably because this is an accurate resample. And the recording at a lower sample rate just smooths it over better, I guess. I don't know. God, it's through the entire file. The whole thing double peaks. It's just everywhere. So bad. Oh my god. So that's why that didn't work. All right. When he gets music chugging, they get screeching. Yeah. But so I ended up re-recording everything as 44.1 kilohertz. That's why everything has that suffix on it. And for the most part, like, it worked pretty well. I mean, this one didn't want to work. The ones that have B, that's side B. So this one, yeah, I don't care. Let's see. Zoom in here. Oh, yeah, okay, double peaks everywhere. That's why. That's why right there. Yeah, yep. So that's why that didn't work at all. Did you ever try cutting out that gap at the beginning of the tape? Oh, you mean the very beginning? That doesn't do any. This right here. That has no bearing on decoding at all, because it looks for this right here. This is that lead-in. Let me turn on spectrogram. This lead-in right here is what it looks for. And it's not looking on this side of the tape, right? It's not looking on that channel. It's only looking on the right-hand channel for the data. It shouldn't really affect the double peak shit. So for my code, it doesn't. But my code's not ready to make the Studybox stuff. When did it start loading faster on a legit Studybox? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Especially if it's already rewound, it finds the first page pretty fast. Honestly, I've had it like long. I've had load times longer when it's like in the middle of the fucking tape somewhere, right? In the middle of a page. Because then it has to find the next page, right? And then like rewind from there to find the previous page and all that kind of stuff to navigate to the page you selected, essentially. So at the beginning, completely negligible. It's fine. But yes, I was using Sour's code to decode this because my code isn't ready yet to actually fully decode these into ROMs. My code uses the baseline cross, the crossing 0, right? Just like Bridgewater's approach. But Sour's uses peak detection, detects where the peaks are, and it doesn't do it very well. Or rather, if there's more than one peak, things break. Because that's not really what you're supposed to be looking. You're not supposed to be looking for the peaks. I mean, if it's a clean wave, it'll work fine, right? But it's any clean wave, you know. Technically, you go on to re-encode less of a frequency and then convert it back to 44.1. I might get rid of most of the double peaks. Probably. But it's just easier to re-record stuff as 44.1 in the first place. But whatever. I'm sure it's only a couple seconds, but it's faster. Not really. Aren't allowed to custom operators, so I just decided all operators use the custom operator system, so needed to special parts for stuff like range expressions. You do you. You do you. Yeah, so this is side A. Side A was not happy. It didn't like side A. Side B is the one that actually worked. Actually, yeah. Side B is the one that actually worked because it, yeah, whatever. Yeah, because I just have errors for side A. This is side A, so it's got most of it, and then down here it just starts crapping out. Actually, for this, let's actually find where that is, because there are a bunch of other places in these tapes. I need to find a good example of one where the audio is actually just terrible. All right, no, not frames. I want no. Samples. Okay. Okay, so this is 106, 502, nope, 545. Where is that? And for 100 samples. What? 100? Come on. For 100 samples. There we go. So there's some bad spots on the tape. Just a few. That that don't really play nice. Like, at all. Now with this one, it actually didn't... The DC offset is actually right where it needs to be. For some of these, I've noticed, the DC offset goes entirely like above or below the baseline. Peak detection works great even with this bad of data, but you would have to know to a high precision how long the flux is to be expected. If we take the data you showed, would have adapted the peak to detect to look more at more samples from like 3 to 6. It should work fine. Should, but whatever. We're gonna use a different approach anyway, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, so this breaks because it's below a threshold essentially. So all this stuff just gets read at 0, I think. Yeah, because there's gap 55, gap 80, 83. So it's not registering most of these, right? 400 samples after that. So yeah, that's like I think like 3. That's 400 samples right there. 410 samples. Well, okay, sure, but I mean, the way he's doing peak detection, yeah. We tried to amplify that. Yeah, so at one point I did try, like, you know, finding kind of where like the peak was probably, and like doing all of those, right? And then going over here and like, yeah, it's probably right there, right? That actually worked, by the way, until it hit the next one, right? Until it hit the next one where it crapped out. This fucking zoom doesn't work right when I don't have the right thing selected. So like I did it for that one or whatever, right? And then it crapped out on these. I'm like, oh, god damn it, I didn't see those. Yeah, because these, I mean, it should be fine, but I just didn't want to. Yeah, it didn't want to. Didn't want to take it. Amplification will help us with double peaks. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna throw my code at this to see what it does. See how well it handles it, or how poorly, more realistically, how poorly it handles it. But yeah, it's a lot of that. And is this even this? Some of it doesn't. It's not happening like during audio, right? Zoom in there. It's happening during audio. I mean, that's probably do you think that's happening on that other channel too? I suppose it's possible. What's happening on that channel anyway? Split to mono. Turn that down a little bit for you, so hopefully it's not too loud. We're gonna solo this one. Okay. You still have the Wiggly Boy. It's somewhere. I don't know which one that's in. That that might have been this one here. This is the 96K. Oh yeah, we got the Wiggly Boy, the Wigglies. Some of what I've planned should help with those fading areas, I think, but I haven't actually made that yet, so I can't be sure. Yeah, so in theory, if we can fix the data wave, right, the data channel, amplifying it and offsetting it, you know, doing like a DC offset to where it's supposed to be and whatnot. In theory, once we figure out like that for the data, we should just be able to take those exact same settings and apply that to the recorded audio, in theory. I don't know. It's better to have a CRC or anything to reconstruct the data. Yeah, we just have a check to make sure the data's correct, like an X or whatever. So yeah, that actually reminds me. So I do plan on releasing these ROMs, but only after I have verified that they are good ROMs. So I need to play through every single one of these ROMs and make sure that there's no like major glitches and that they actually run to completion, right? And once I do that, I'll release these out for everybody, so y'all can have a look at them. I'll probably do the audio files before that. These guys here. And I might just like, well, I won't give you the Audacity stuff, but I'll just the raw waves. 11 gigs. I'll put it in a torrent or something like that. So yeah, a bunch of these are bad, right? So I had to do like a few tries for some of these. Let's just try two on side A, I think. This one is I turned the volume down. Or this one I think I did that post process, the vol 80, the turn the volume down. Then this is side B. I think side B is what actually like happened for that one, right? On 8. No, let's try 2. Okay. And then down here, 11 was the bastard. So side A didn't work. Side B didn't work. Side A on deck B didn't work. I think I thought I had that one. Yeah, this one here. Side 11 deck B. Yep. Wait, this one. And then I think eventually like, this is the one that worked or something. I don't know. I remember. But yeah, so my tape deck has 2 tape player things. And one of them is play only, and the other is play and record. And I've been using the play and record side for recording all these. But 11, I just couldn't get 11 working. It just refused to cooperate. Close out of these because I can hear my fans going. Yeah, let's warm up this one real quick. Yeah, so this one, it didn't like this one very much. Is this where... Oh, yeah, look at all that down there. Whoa, it's terrible. It's terrible. Double peaks everywhere. It's so bad. God, I didn't realize how bad this one was. I don't think I actually looked at the raw data. Look at this. Look at that. It's so bad, like everywhere. My God. And this I don't even think this is data over here. Oh, it is. Okay, never mind. That is data. Was that cut out? Did that cut off? I can't even make that on the spectrogram. Goodness. So bad. Hard to imagine that was once a proper square wave. Well, I mean, honestly, with the test that we did last weekend, I can absolutely see that. Because, yeah, it's nasty. Because I took the audio, a pure square wave, right? And then I recorded that to tape and played it back. And I got the same shape of a wave, right? No, not that. That would have been dangerous. No, not that. Code. This one. No, you bastard. Come on. This one. And then... Yeah, so this is that pure square wave, right? This was the output from that program. Right there. And then from the tape, we get this. Right here. Which is actually not that bad. This isn't that bad. But down here, that's starting to look kind of like the waves that I was getting from the Studybox stuff. I mean, granted, this is cleaner. But, yeah. Seeing all the variation and shit, yeah. And then the loop back looks like this. Can I get these like lined up a little bit better? Yeah. And loop back is skipping the tape entirely, right? Let me get these lined up at the very beginning here. I think right there. I think it missed like the. Or no, that's that. This one's inverted. Right. That's what that was. Going through the tape, it inverts it for whatever reason. Yeah. So right about there, I think. Yeah. So yeah, pure up top, the pure output, and then in the middle we've got the tape, and then this is just the loopback. Yeah, loopback is already distorted, and then the tape even more so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the tape to be more of a triangle wave, honestly. I wasn't expecting that. No. I was kind of expecting it more to be like the loopback. Honestly, I was expecting something closer to this. Maybe not as clean as that, but closer to that, you know? I don't know. Might be confusing at first sight, but two choices. Oh my god, what is this? Can't compile any of that yet. Jesus Christ. That's certainly a syntax, all right. But anyway. Yeah, I don't know why this one's inverted like that, but whatever. Though it's also interesting that the loopback actually looks closer to what you see from the longer waves than the shorter waves do after the tape. Yeah. Yeah, because it doesn't stay high at a plateau very nicely, you know? Because it jumps up and then like slowly declines, and then it you know, shoots over. No. It's really basic. Anyway, so let me start with reviewing where I left off. Yeah. All right, so all right, I'm doing everything like kind of jank here. And for the so right, full wave, okay. So I get the lengths here. Down here, lengths. If this length is over a certain length, what should that be? Twice the third bucket, we'll say, for shits and giggles. If the length is twice the third bucket, we hit the end of the page, write data out. Maybe? Start film buckets. Data bit. Jesus. Oh, right. So, Twice B3, yeah. I suppose most of all that is really just the AC coupling in play, since that basically removes the DC that is needed for the straight line that's not zero. Right. Yeah, I figure it's got a bunch to do with the digital to audio conversions, you know, both from digital to digital analog, from digital to analog, and then the reverse of analog back to digital. Yeah, so for the audio going out, I'm using onboard audio from my motherboard out to my mixer and speakers and shit, right? For the input audio, I'm using my audio box, right? Audio box 96, whatever the fuck USB thing. That does have an audio output on it as well. That I suspect would at least be better isolated from the rest of the components in the computer because it's literally outside the computer. So in theory, it could be higher quality if I use the audio box. It'll certainly be higher quality if I use the rack mount audio box, but I don't have that fucking working yet because I haven't touched that in forever. I need to get back to that eventually and figure that shit out. But yeah, we could try that. Although I don't have the wires for it right now. I need to dig for some wires to get that hooked up to my system. Because this takes RCA for input, not XLR or 1/8 inch. Only RCA for input, with the exception of the two mics. The mic inputs are a 1/4 inch, not 1/8, 1/4 inch plugs, and XLR. But I was wondering why the Disk IO LED was flashing rapid fire. I updated the game on Steam. Literally worse memory than a flash. Whoops. All right, so that's gonna be one of those. Current bucket. One of those. Okay. This is going to be current bucket. All right, let's undo that. Current bucket. Current bucket. Current bucket. Current bucket. That one. That one. Okay. Else if L is greater than L3 times 2. Buckets equals append buckets current bucket. That equals one of those. Good. All right. And at the end, if current bucket, if the length of current bucket is not 0.05, do another one of these like that. Okay. Ran this not getting clock. Yeah. No. Plus your motherboard, I don't think you'll be able to listen to music. What do you mean? So the music that I'm listening to is coming from my stream PC, not my main machine. So the music you're hearing is coming from a different machine entirely. Yeah. All right, so add on to that, and then for it's a weird sound I heard over there. Bucket range or buckets in range. No, bucket. Current bucket and range buckets. Do this stuff like that. Bucket ID. All right. And then for that in range, current bucket. Data bits. And then at the end here, error equals os dot write file. I'll pat that join. Do one of these output and 03 dot, and then this is gonna be BID. That, and I want data bits dot bytes 0606. Why not? If error's not nil, return error. Okay. There's output. You know how I got a new GPU? Sure. Self-installed the damn thing because reasons, of course. One of those reasons is that I basically need to do a fresh install on my main system. Oh, turns out the drivers on my main are all MBR, not GPT, so I need a new drive. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, so we're gonna try the current code with the old data, loopback data. This guy here. Before going to the big stuff. Go run main. Go. It's gonna crash. Undefined file path. Path file path. I do not want to be writing that shit out to the console. What the fuck is that? What the hell is that? Where am I printing that? There it is. Okay, I don't want to do that. Yeah. Okay. Out. List out. Put. Why do I have 6 of those? What? What? Excuse me? Hi, What? I don't understand. 2190 80cc. What? The shit? Yeah, it's getting split into too many buckets, apparently. How did that break? Huh? What? 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 No. What's the fucking... It is delve. What's the command for delve? DLV maybe? There it is. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me get the reference up. Documentation. Client. Oh, shit. Yeah. B3. Right, you're right. Okay, there we go. That's better. All right. That's better. Let's get rid of that print now. Okay, much better. Okay. Hex dump CV output. Good. That's what I want. All right. Now, I do not want to be printing that out to the console. Let's get rid of that. And I want to throw... let's do this one. So let's copy that. Oops. And we're going to see how badly this breaks. Okay. Of course it's pattern. Not say that. Oof. This moment in time, it hits every time when it's not LP3. Yeah, it's that, yeah. Right about where we're expected to find one, behind 2 stacks of old projects in a drawer, on top of a couple of cases of Cyberpunk 2022. What? Might have an angle. Okay. If I can find a 2.5 to 3.5 mounting kit amongst my supplies. Oh, man. Oh, I can hear it working. Oh, it's not happy. It's pinging a, at least one, Jesus. There's always ducted. There's always, I'll use one screw. Because that's the only one that lines up. I've done that before. Use one screw to hold in the entire hard drive. Only 3 versions of the $? It seems a little low. Missing clock bit at Flux 24. I beg your fucking pardon? Too long. Okay. At Flux 24. Jesus. Flux 24. In bucket that at Flux 24. Let's just do that. You've got dollar sign, small dollar sign, and full with dollar sign. A lot earlier. It's probably one of the other buckets because that Flux ID resets for each bucket. So we'll see what bucket it's in. Actually, I probably could have. No, because it didn't fucking get that far. Because I don't. Well, no. Maybe I'll print some informational things like finish this, finish that. Reading samples. Finding buckets. Bucket 0, Flux 24. Really? I kind of wish I had, like, sample offset shit for this. Goddamn. There's a lot of processing for the entire wave before it gets this. Yeah. Yeah. Format the print line processing. Buckets. So let's, I have some trimmed stuff, right? Yeah, but not of this one. All right, so let's grab this guy. Select. Can I invert this? Invert selection? No. Wasn't there a way to... Right there, okay. File, export as WAV. This one, underscore sample. Okay. Same thing. Okay, reading samples, finding buckets, process buckets, missing clock bit in bucket 0 at Flux 24. 24? That's not even outside of the, the lead-in, is it? We shouldn't be able to have that many longs in a row, should we? What the hell? Commercial minus sign. You know what I kind of want, and I've thought about for the past few days? Debugging output for the wave itself. And by that, I mean, like, draw an image that's got the wave and how we interpret it. But I don't know if I want to write that right now. Just shorts, and then it'll find a medium. So that first one should be a medium, not a long, right? Use what? I've heard of that one. Color ASCII art library. Oh. I don't use it. No, I wasn't thinking of ASCII art stuff. I was thinking of like actual images. I figure I'll take like. What I thought about the other day is, I'll take samples split up into 60ths of a second, and each slice there I'll write out to a full image at, I think it was like 700 some odd samples for that. So like write that out to an image and like superimpose like, oh, this is a 1, this is a 0, this is a whatever. But if I did that, I'd have to not have so many loops for this stuff, you know? What happens with number 2? Or no, what was it? Tape 8 sample? Is that what I have? Tape 8 sample WAV. Either fewer loops or more bookkeeping to keep track of what data was there. That's even weirder. So this one, let's have a look at this wave. Wait. 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 I did it again! I did it again. I did it fucking again. These are all mono. These are stereo. I don't split the tracks. God damn it. God damn it. Son of a bitch. This shit right here. This shit right here. Like a beautiful audio. I've actually been considering doing that for mine. Oh, having short, medium, long types with additional data, like sample offsets instead of just consts. Yeah. Yeah. Let me implement this real quick. Okay, so function read WAV file. Sure. File name string. We are. You know what? We're gonna take this exact thing. We're going to yoink that, put it here, but we're gonna have this format if number of channels is not 2. Okay, so if number of channels, if format.num channels equals 1, else if that, we're just gonna return, do that up there. return nil and the buffer and nil. Okay, just return the channel that we want, the right channel. Did I capitalize that? No, I did not. Read input. All right. So, grabbing the second channel automatically for non-modified is something I have in the code too. Makes things a lot easier and it only takes that much extra to run for the whole English zero. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. All right. So now that I got that, okay, sure. Fair. Bytes. Undefined input name. What do you mean undefined input name? Where? 57. Huh? Oh, what the fuck? It's dumb as hell. Input close undefined. Input buffer has no input close. 121. Oh, Cannot use input decoder buff. That's just going to be buff actually. Buff like that. Really? Missing bit, clock bit in bucket 0 at flux 4. Medium, short. It's on the short? Or on the medium? What the fuck? Oh, it's read file. Classic copy and paste error without checking the free variables. It's not even that. No, it's in the original code. When I read the input, the value that's passed in here is ignored. It just so happens it didn't break because I'm using the same variable name there that I am actually reading from. I'm passing in the input name, but I'm using input name instead of file name here. It's wrong, but I got the right answer, is what happened. All the work's wrong, but I got the right answer. Always bucket 0. That index really correct, and it's just coincidence. For the sample, absolutely, because I only expect a single bucket. Because that's all I have in that data. Come on. That's this guy right here. That's all this is. Actually, I mean, it's the biggest one, and it's dying, like, early. Oh, yeah, so... Wait, where does it get to? Finding buckets, and then wait a minute, processing. Oh, okay, so it prints that out when it's processing the bucket. We're not going to print that out when it's processing the bucket. We're going to print that out when we're actually looking at shit. Just so we can see it print out for shits and giggles. Short. medium, long. I don't want those as print lines. Interesting. Those shouldn't be longs like that. What the hell? What's the sample right here? 41, 41, 44.1. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm barely seeing any shorts in this. Oh, that's the top of that. Okay. Right. Okay. Vim output put dot text. Let's not do it like that. Yeah, these should be shorts, I think. Not mediums. Like, that ain't right. That's just not right at all. Nothing like hot plugging an internal drive to a running system. Ah. Do I resync the clock? Not currently. I don't try to currently. I just sync it at the... I think I sync it anyway at the very beginning. It found a single short at the very beginning there. Oh. Okay. Because I was using a very clean, I think I see what happened. I think I see what happened. Before, it was a very clean wave, so I just took like, oh, I found it immediately. I found the clock immediately, right? So this, yeah. 6:9:12 is not what I'm expecting. That's too short. That's why everything's fucking long. I need to take about a second's worth of samples and find the most common length, I think. Should be valid. In fact, isn't that the way it's basically that? Kind of, sort of, but that's not where I'm expecting these. Yeah. This is short of a bucket. Short of a bucket results from a wiggle. Yes. Yep. Because it's going too far below the baseline here, right? So if we zoom into right there, like, That's a wave that it's finding. But the actual wave is like that. Yeah. Yeah, it's wiggling underneath under 0, right? Yeah. It's because of that wiggle. So what I need to do is I need to grab a whole second of this. It's what, 3 seconds? See, a second and a half, maybe 2 seconds. How long is it guaranteed? Not very long. The very first one, I think is about a second. But these guys, God damn it, not nearly that long. These ones here. Come on, assuming correctly. These guys aren't nearly that long. Yeah, that little bit of lead-in right there. This guy here, it's not a second. Just that. That's less than half a second. About a quarter of a second, give or take. If I take 0.1 seconds, a tenth of a second, that's that much. That could work, though. Right? That could give it enough time to settle into something. That's disgusting right there. And then I can take the most common length. 2K samples to avoid the wiggle, and then look at the lead-in to turn the clock. You know, so for this one, all right, let's wait 2,000 samples. Samples. They're about there. That's 2,000 samples. That could work. Let's find another one. God damn it, the fucking scroll. This guy here, what is that? Doesn't have any lead in because of course it not. Like, why would it? Waveform, let's zoom in there. That just starts with fucking data. And that, whoa, crossing the 0 is gonna break there. Does that start even the same clock width as the rest of the lead-in? Lead-in is there to get the clock read reliably. Yeah, the lead-in's there to get it reliably. Yeah. But this, there's so much wiggle here. So much wiggle. Which I can see why Sour did the peak detection now. Right? Because it can handle this. It can handle that wiggle. Wild idea, what's that? It should be at least approximately the same length after fixing DC offset, but it seemed like it was more like medium longs. Oh, ignore what I have here. That's wrong because I'm grabbing the clock signal incorrectly for that. So that's wrong. The medium long, short, medium, long, that's wrong here. I'm not getting it correct here. So don't worry about that. High pass it at something like 30 hertz. Will that work for the wiggles? Or... it should be this something like after fixing these more minutes long. Here, this isn't lead in. This is straight up data at the beginning here. That's not lead in. This gap isn't long enough, apparently, for that. The other one, which is this one here. This guy. Yeah, that does look not quite right. Those do look long. But that could be the tape wow, you know? That could just be the tape freaking the fuck out. Well, maybe. I don't know. Maybe that isn't leading at all. I can't get data, then lead in. Then data, and then wait. I hate this. Long sequence of zeros doesn't have to be lead in. It could also be a data packet that happens to have a lot of consecutive zeros or consecutive ones in it. That's true. Oh. Yeah, so then this could just be data that's all zeros or all ones. Come on, where's the other one? I zoom and it fucking moves everything. So like something similar here. It can't be all ones? No? Nemesis, how you doing? Welcome. There's more of this stuff here. Oops, too far in. You can see the effect of interbyte 0 bits. Right. I forgot about those fucking interbyte bits that I have to take care of as well. See, it had to be all zeros. And now that I think about it, I'm gonna go over here real quick. That's not lead-in at all. That's script initializing 0 values for variables. God damn it. Because I remember that. I remember looking at some of the scripts with a bunch of fucking zeros at the end and not knowing what the hell that was. Right? And then I'm like going through decoding and I'm trying to resolve variable addresses. And some of them are pointing to script space. To right after the script. These are those variables. That's script data. I hate it. Oh God, I hate it. Which means the lead-in's only at the very beginning of the page. Built-in variable initialization. Yep. So again, more script data, I guess. Greetings, Marianne. How you doing? Yeah, because they're here too. So that's more script data there. More script data here. Script data. God, I hate it. You're okay? That's good. Welcome. Glad you're doing all right. All the data from tape. Yep. Am I okay? Not anymore, I don't think. Because I discovered some things that my approach doesn't really handle very well. I heard screams. Yeah. So this right here, that is a bunch of zeros. The lead-in is a bunch of zeros and some squiggly bits, right? So there's a bit of a gap and then a bunch of zeros, right? So if I go back over to the waveform, bit of a gap, and then there's some zeros. There's a bunch of zeros here, right? Oh, this little, it's kind of shaky at the very beginning, though. Like, it doesn't... That looks a little weird, but that's all zeros. That's got to be lead-in, right? Zoom into this. I go, wait a minute. That looks like data. The hell? And then it's pointed out that, because I said, oh, that's probably all ones or zeros, because I'm thinking of just strictly the MFM format, which, if you have all zeros or all ones in the data, it's all short waves, right? Short intervals, right? But the Studybox format puts a 0 bit between every single byte. Therefore, if you have a tone, all short intervals, it's going to be zeros. Otherwise, it'd be 8 ones, then a 0, then 8 ones, then a 0, then 8 ones, then a 0, right? So it's like, okay, well, that's zeros, sure. Then I open up the spectrogram, right? And I'm like, wait a minute, that's not what lead-in looks like. Are there zeros in the data? Yes, there's zeros in the data. It's long strings of zeros. I may have an adaptive peak detect that should be able to handle the wiggle issue. Sample greater than or equal to 0, and previous samples is less than or equal to 0. 0 crossing, reset peaks. I had to pay for bucket shit here. Where is current peak incremented? Just in here? Your message, should you just accept it? Yeah. Your message was self-destruct. This message was self-destructing. Yeah. I had a milestone planning meeting today at work. When seeing how much time we all had, I guessed we'd need for our tasks. Someone basically summarized everyone's backlog in one sentence. So for me, sigh. What? Equal to 0. Previous sample was less than or equal to 0, or the inverse of that. It's cross 0. Reset the peaks. Would this work for the DC offset? Current peak sample. What? Current peak seems invariant. Yeah. Everyone's way over capacity. Yeah. It's just looking at the local min-max and resetting at 0 crossing. Hence, it should both handle the double peaks and the offset of the wiggle. I'm not sure how this would handle the offset of the wiggle, though. Because what you would need to do for that, I would think, is grab the previous highest, right? Then the next lowest, and essentially find the midpoint between those. And make that your 0. Forgot half of it. 1 sec, yeah. So yeah, you'd recenter it essentially. I would think. Also, absolute 0 minus absolute samples will always be true. No. I'm almost thinking it might be better to do like a 2-pass. So 1 to correct the waveform, right? Correcting the DC offsets, and the amplitude, and then a second pass to actually read the data. Current peak goes to sample, then back to 0. Also, I don't see how this handles no signal areas, especially with noise near 0. There's a bunch of that, yeah. With the noise near 0. Like this is noise, right? Let's go back to waveform. Yeah, like this right here. That's all noise. It's not 0. It's close, but it ain't 0. Doesn't. I don't know if you can see it very well on stream, but that's noise right there. There's noise right there. Noise right there. That's offset a bunch. And then it starts to pick up a wave right here. Or rather, that's the calming of the wave, right? Cosmic background radiation. Yeah. Near 0 means floating point. Yeah. That's all that 0. I'm curious what like this right here has to be just like the packet header, right? There's no script there. That's just packet header, and then it just fucking blanks everything out with zeros. And then some other data. Although I guess that could be character RAM, whatever, character data. Seriously, I think that you can do a high pass filter on this program. Try a 40 hertz or so on the start of the data. All right. So let's just do it right there. Or no, let's just do the whole splits to mono. Let's just select the whole thing. Can I just? Okay. Is it filter? What would it be here? Not compressor or distortion. It'd be. Oh, Jesus. I don't know one of these. So, high pass. That takes off. That'll cut out everything below something? Something like that? I doing that right? I mean, it's still wiggly as hell, but... Is that update live? 50 hertz. I don't think any change. That plays the preview. That's all that does. I'll plug in that in just a second. For shits and giggles, let's just crank this. Let's see it ruin the wave. 400 hertz. Whoa. That did something. That flattened it out, actually. Quite a bit. Oh, I still don't do the bucket detection correctly. It's better, but not quite. No. Now I know that you have a copy of some of my code that wants a discrete time high pass filter along with the math for. Yeah, but it's in fucking fourth, and I can't read fourth. I don't know where it is. Also. Yeah. Your damn noise gate. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I might, honestly, swap back to the peak stuff, the peak detection, instead of the crossover detection. Because the peak detection, I don't necessarily need to give a shit about the DC offset, right? Right? In theory? Yeah, I mean, I need to peak the, fix the DL set, but returns a double peak and similar issues. Right. Yeah. And yours does fix the double peak. You sure? That's not the right. Why do I have 5 windows open? Jesus Christ. Does my fried brain forget anything? Yeah, honestly, my brain's a little fried today. So I might change gears and just fire up some of these just to play through them. Okay, I think I'm starting to get how this is working now. All right. Yeah. Okay. This could work, maybe. Oh. Basically, until I ever cross 0 again, I purely look at the highest value to find the peak, and then I subtract the ID from the last peak, and that is your bucket length. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm starting to follow along what you're doing here. Right. I'm not sure I'm awake enough, though, to implement this, if that makes any sense. The idea should work. Right. I'm not like I said, I'm not sure I'm awake enough to actually implement this correctly. Implement. I can't think straight enough to if I can speak correctly. Right. See, we're gonna set the code stuff aside, I think, and we're just gonna fire up some of these tapes and some of the new tapes, and see if they play good. So I have a few, right? I have a few. We've already gone through 1 through 5 on stream fucking years ago, but 4 years ago. I looked at the dates. I'm like, oh my god, it was that long ago. 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. Jesus. So we've already looked through 1 through 5. So I'm thinking of just starting at number 6 and going from there. Right? Yeah. Let me get this. So yeah, let's have a look at some of these tapes. Again, they are all English, and it's all the Pumpkin Town network, right? That nonsense, where freaking wire bullshit, where everyone sounds far too old. Some brain off. Yeah, I need some brain off stuff. Yeah. Let me go ahead and pause the music. There it goes. All right. So, like I said last time, 4 years ago, we were looking at 1 through 5. Let's start at number 6. I like, by the way, that these. Can you hear? Is this audio good? Oh. Is that good? Is that too loud?
Enjoy English plus 6号。
6号。
これ
6.
は何ですかと聞けるようになろう。この号ではこれは何ですかと聞けるようになります。さあ、ユニット1からスタート。
ユニット1からスタート。I love these title screens, by the way. Here we go. Oh, that was the wrong button. I want that button. So I got pause and screenshot on the shoulder buttons on my SNES controller.
Town Network.
Pumpkin Town Network. Shady ass network right here. All right, this is the one where they're underwater. Hey. They're drowning.
Hello.
Hello.
This is Pumpkin Town Network. How are you? 元気にしてた?
Pre-epilepsy aware games. Well, it wasn't flashing, at the very
聞
least.
けるようになろうです。いつもとちょっとスタジオの雰囲気が違うでしょ。そう、ここは海の中。
We're inside the
今日はこの
ocean.
マリンスタジオからお送りします。さて、今日のビデオレターはジュース屋さんを開店したばかりのイカのフレッドさんからです。じゃあジョニー、ビデオの準備お願いね。
Did she say Fred?
All right.
The fish is flat. Okay, well, it's not the whole screen flashing, all right? All right. I really need to grab out more of the audio clips in this, right? And use them as alerts or some shit. Ah! Damn it. Thank you, Campfire. Appreciate it. What the shit is going on here?
Is this a banana?
Yes, it is. It's sweet.
Are these lemons?
This
Yes, they are. They're sour.
What's
isn't really that bad. Yeah. I think when color flashing. Look.
Orange. It's juicy.
What are these?
God. It's animation, the little guy
They're
up top.
delicious.
I think I have him as an emote, don't I? Little UFO guy? Ah, yes. The drink stand under the ocean. This is a pineapple under the sea? Oh. Maybe I should have been recording this one, but oh well. I'll do that later. Ah!
Is this a banana?
Does he have a purse?
Yes, it is. It's sweet.
Are
About
these
to kill the film window. Thought
Yes,
we probably need this later. I
They're
didn't guess.
sour.
Thank you.
What's this?
What's this?
It's an orange.
It's an orange, dumbass.
Is it juicy?
Well, then again, they're
Yes,
fish.
it
Would they
is.
really know what an orange
What are
is?
these?
They're peaches.
That's where SpongeBob comes from.
Are
I mean, I
these
guess.
delicious?
Yes, they are.
Oh. Next page. Let's see what's next. Ah, what? Huh?
お客さんのウォルターさん、美味しそうにジュース飲んでいたわね。それではウォルターさんとフレッドさんが何を話していたか、
Yeah.
ドクター・ロボを呼んで
Why is there an up
一緒に
arrow? I think that was a
調べてみましょ
squid.
う。
What? R2? R2, what are you doing on here? What's with that weird tiled grass, by the way? Like the lines on the bottom there. Like, what's going on with that? R1D1 Budget Edition.
Is this a banana?
You already asked about the bananas!
It is. It's sweet.
Are these lemons?
Yes,
I love that little animation for that guy.
sour.
What's this?
It's orange. It's juicy.
What are these?
They're peaches. They're delicious.
Delicious. D1, I like that. Oh. God, this guy right here, he reminds me of Doug? No. Shit. I think the show was named Doug. But he had a friend that had like the big fucking nose and shit. And that a face that looked like that. I remember what it's been so long. Fancy fucking music. Oh, I pause. I want that button. Is this a? Oh shit! Oh shit. Kiku and the fuck is this? Shira. How? Baru? What? The fuck? The babe? The what? Okay. What is this actually asking? Can I even make out what those characters are? That's the question, I think. Babe with power. I'm gonna see if Google can figure this out. I don't think it can. From the camera. What do you think it says, Google? I checked to see if this is blank. Sky kick or enter the. Sky kick. Sky kick? Really? Search for songs. Okay. Top.
Is this a banana?
Okay. Sky kick. No. Oh fuck. All right. What? I can't even like recognize what those characters are supposed to be. There's not enough pixels. What do you think, Google? What's next? That's all that is. That's all that's saying. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
What are these options here? 2 out of 14. It's sweet. 3 out of 14. It's just like next, next, next?
It's sweet.
All right. I guess it's just next or some shit. I don't know.
Are these lemons?
Oh, wait. Was it like repeat the... What? Oh my god. What? Oh man, this is like history. Okay. These, I'm hitting up and down. B gets me back to that. Okay, so that's like inspect or whatever the fuck, right? Hit A. Okay, lemons. Okay. All right, these lemons. Huh. Okay, so like breaks down kind of what that sentence is.
Yes, they are.
All right. I understand now. Maybe. Sort of. Not really. But yeah, this is just going to be going
They're
over
sour.
like the rest of everything else. So I'm going to spam A.
What's this?
What's this?
It's an orange.
An orange. Orange. How does
Is
a
it
fish
juicy?
know what juicy means? Or a squid for that matter.
Yes, it is.
Inspect and keep pressing up by skipping the audio.
What are these?
What are these? I'm sorry. I guess I do kind of want to make sure that the audio's like
They're
valid.
peaches.
I don't know. How to speak English is understanding Japanese. Yeah. The main issue in the English
Are
learning
these
tapes is the
delicious?
Japanese. Yes, they are.
Yes, they are.
Sandra Pointer, how you doing? Welcome. Welcome. Okay. Start. Does nothing. A. Okay, thank God. Next page, not again. Yes, they
こ
are.
れは何ですかの聞き方もう分かったかしらこれはレモンですかというように
I feel like I remember
レモンかどうかを
commenting on this woman's
確かめ
eyes
たいと思ったら
being a fucking
Is this
like
a lemon?
bug eyes or some shit, right?
これは 何ですかと聞きたいときには What's
The black
this?
eyes.
っていいのよね
They stare into your soul. Is this a lemon? Okay, bye, I guess. So, all right. Too long. Yeah, she stared too long in the void. Now the void consumes all. There's a severe lack of Johnny in this. Not gonna lie.
Is this
He's
a
around.
banana?
Yes, it is. It's
But they
sweet.
just.
Are these lemons?
Yes, they are.
This is the
They're
third
sour.
time we're
What's
hearing this
this?
jingle. Oh
It's
my god.
Orange. It's juicy.
What are
The
these?
UFO. Well, yeah, sure.
They're peaches. They're delicious.
And a rabbit head, I guess. I don't know. And is that a bow on the rabbit's head? I assume so. That. Huh? The fuck? What the shit? What is going on? So, okay. So they've got helmets on, but are they open bottom helmets? Like what the fuck? Huh? Well, there's Johnny though. Then we got Johnny. Oh, festival, but fess is cut off. Got it. All right. Johnny, you're drowning.
今日は待ちに待った海のお祭りの日いろいろなゲームやクイズ大会が行われる
Oh
の
God, quiz games.
ジ
Oh,
ョニーも
no.
やってみたら商品がもらえるかもよ
I'll try.
I'll try. And he floats away. All right. Well, bye, Johnny.
このゲームは4つ
They
の
are
箱
thing,
の
yeah.
中にそれぞれどんな果物が入っているかを当てるゲー
I
ム
don't trust Johnny with one, but you know,
箱の中にはレモン
this kind of just looks like a bowl he put over his head.
バナナのうちどれか一つが入っています 質問すればヒントを教えてくれるわよ全部正解なら竜宮城へご招待だって
What was that word?
ジョニー頑張って
Good luck, Johnny. You got this, Johnny. Oh fuck. Hang on. Pause. Hang on. Let me at least get a ballpark of what it's saying here. Come on. Choose who to ask questions to. Okay. I don't know if this has I want to work very well and only on someone's head. Wait. Oh, huh? I thought I was gonna like air out or something. Let me ask about the contents of this. Oh, okay, all right. Carbon monoxide poison would hit fat. Yeah. Is it juicy? Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it juicy? It is. Shit, we were supposed to be paying attention, weren't we? We were supposed to be paying attention of what was juicy and when sour and fuck. Can't wait to fail this quiz. All right, let's go. It's Jover. Okay, so this one's not juicy, probably, right? Is it juicy? What? It is juicy. Oh, I can't select those again. Oh no. Is it sweet? He's answering yes to everything. This can't be good. Uh-oh. Oranges are juicy, lemons are sour, bananas are sweet. Thank you. But everything so far is this one sweet? Two sweets, two juicies, and I can't re-interrogate. Oh God. Do you have enough information? Yes or no? Right? Do you understand what's inside? Yes or no? No, I do not. Nope. Because it was yes to everything. Are you sour? No, not sour. Okay. So that one's not lemons. Okay. Can't ask anything there. How about this one? Sour? No. Okay. Again, not lemon. All right. Is it sour? There it is. Okay. And then this one. No. Okay. We know where the lemon is. It's number 3. Do I have enough information? I don't know. Let's just say yes. Let's guess what's inside. Okay.
What's this?
Shit, I don't know. It's a lemon. It's not a lemon, orange, banana, peach. Okay, so this one was juicy, but not sour. Right? Peach? Holy... No. That's a orange.
Is it a lemon?
No. No, it is not. Banana! Okay.
What's this?
That one is the lemon, right? Beep, beep, beep. Lemon. Okay. And the last one's the peach, because we got that one wrong. All right.
Is it a peach?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So for that, because it has... Where did the turtle come from? What? What the fuck? Great success! 3 or 4 correct by a bit of luck in what we asked about. Yeah. Let's say air pressure being pumped in, but no bubbles from the air, from air being pushed out anymore. So, yeah, he's suffocating. Oh. Just gotta text my landlord. Might be working in the hallways tomorrow. All right. No worries. Dumb luck. But okay, so because it uses audio that's played back, not necessarily. Well, okay, so it limits. No, actually. It's always going to ask the same thing. Right? Is this lemon or whatever? Or do you know what this is? Right? But that doesn't mean that that's going to be the same answer. Those clever motherfuckers. Especially like of where things are. Those clever bastards.
結構やるじゃないジョ
Her
ニー。
fucking face. Oh my god.
これは何ですか？
これは何ですか?
もう
Fuck is
一
this?
度ティクタクトーと一緒に歌って
Tic-tac-toe.
覚えましょう。
What? Tic-tac-toe? I beg your pardon. What? This wasn't tic-tac-toe. What are you smoking? Huh? Maybe multiple recordings. All variations. Is it an X, Y, Z? I suppose. Well, we could check that later. I can move things around, different answers, and cannot even. It could even have more audio clips that they fast forward or rewind to. That's true too. We'll have to check. Actually, let's have a quick peek, shall we? Number 6. Let's close out of that. Let's go ahead and split solo. What are these? Ba-da-ba-ba.
Is this a banana?
Okay, so that's the first interaction of things. Stop it. And then here we've got. Okay, that's R1D1.
このゲームは4つの箱の中にそれぞれどんな果物が入っているかを当てるゲー
Guess
ム
what's
よ。
inside the things?
箱の中にはレモン、オレンジ、ピーチ、バナナのうちどれか一つが入っています。
She actually listed out what was in them. All right.
質問すればヒントを教えてくれるわよ。全部正解なら竜宮城へご招待だって。ジョニー、頑張って。
頑張って.
What's this?
What's this?
Is it a lemon?
Asks if it's a lemon.
What's this?
What's this? And what was it? Is this a peach?
Is it a peach?
Is it a peach? So it just asks those. And then this is the
結構
outro
や
now.
るじゃない、ジョニー。
Yep. Okay. Yep. And then this is the song and dance we're going through now. Okay. So yep, it only asks that. Questions are fixed? Yeah.
Is this a banana?
Yes, it is. It's sweet.
Are these lemons?
Yes, they are. They're sour.
Yes, they
What's this?
It's an orange. It's juicy.
What
Chelsea.
are these?
They're peaches. They're delicious.
She waddles away. Okay, bye. Who's the cat? What?
海でお茶を飲むのもなかなか素敵ね。それじゃあ君も一緒に。
Let's have tea.
Let's have tea. Sure. Just not on the test. What does that mean? What does it mean? Yeah, right. Could still be different answer. Different orders. Yep. If it's able to scan them, scan to them, what those data gaps, etc. But it seems more likely that they're completely. Yeah, I figured that the questions themselves are fixed, but the answers can change. Right. That's what I figure. Like if it shuffles where stuff is, it just needs to change the answer. Is this a peach? Well, no, not this time. Next time around, is this a peach? Well, yes, it is. You know? That's my guess anyway. Because I've seen that happen, I think, with some of the other tapes. Actually, yeah. Unit 2. Oh, boy. With, remember when there was one with the Golden Tomahawk stuff where you had to, like, you had a certain amount of money and you had to buy all the supplies, right? And there's, like, rope and... Or no, you had to buy, like, a certain amount of rope, right? And there was, like, 5 stores and you had to go to. And I remember, like, jotting down which stores had what, and then, like, redoing the recording, going to the first store, and literally every option was different. I'm like, oh, shit. All right, go to the next store. Every option is different. Oh, no. So it mixed everything up. Yeah. Yep. Randomize the items.
Pumpkin Town
Oh,
Network.
they scrambled them, right? The values were still the same. Kind like you could still find the same values, but they're in different spots. That was another one. Yeah. Same idea though. With that.
Hi, this is
Hi.
Pumpkin Town Network. How are
They
you?
reused this intro.
今日のテーマは物のある場所を言えるようになろうです。
What does that say? Nope. Okay, I don't have it up anymore. Moon runes. Translate. What is it saying, Google? Help me out. Let's learn to say where things are. Okay.
今度のビデオレターも 海に住んでいるお友達タコのトプシーさんとカニのク
トプシーさん
ラビーさんからです。
タ
じゃあジョニー、
Topsy-san.
お願いね。
Johnny, on the guy in there? Please, Johnny, please. PRNG in there somewhere? Yes, it absolutely does. I don't know if it's the scripts or if there's like a command for it. I don't know. Because we haven't finished figuring out what all the commands do, right? And there very well may be some PRNG stuff in there mixed in. What?
Where's the bread?
It's on the plate.
Where's the lemon?
It's by the pot.
Where's the egg?
It's in the basket.
He has no patience, that guy.
It's under the
He
table.
didn't even let her finish talking. What is this?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Please help me.
Much raining.
Hello, I am under the water. Please help me. Oh God. Whoa, what the hell? That's why I see. So why is the fork? Why is there a fork? Number one. Number two. Why is it on the ground? The hell's going on here? I have to do it. It's understandable. Understandable. It's a big shadow for that table
Where's the
too.
soy sauce?
What is soy sauce?
It's by the pot.
The pot.
Where's the knife? It's on the
It's a
plate.
knife.
Where's the fork?
Where's the fuck?
Under the table. Where's the salt? It's in the basket.
Shadow sponsored by The Void.
Please pass me the salt. Here you are. Thank you.
Wait. Are you not? Hold up. Do it. That pose. I'm so mad. Love the long crab arm, by the way.
まあ大変。トプシーさんの足絡まっちゃったみたいね。
What's wrong with Topsy?
ト
Topsy
プシー
just
さ
died.
んと
Yeah.
クラビーさんのお食事中の会話、
Could I be some?
何を言っていたかドクターロボで詳しく調べてみましょう。
R1D1. It's currently like a snail. Is that lore accurate? Is that okay? Sure. We use so many scenes. Salt on a snail, yeah. But it's an octopus, not a snail. Wait, we just saw. God damn it.
Where's the bread?
It's on the plate.
Where's the lemon?
It's by the pot.
Where's the egg?
It's in the basket.
Where's the basket?
It's under the table.
The UFO is so done with everybody's shit. He doesn't even let him finish talking before he starts talking over him. No, yeah. But like, octopus is in salt water, right? They're not a freshwater animal. I don't think. I'm no oceanologist, but that audio overlap makes me wonder if it's related to the other audio sync issues that we don't know about. If it's a mastering problem they had with the commodity audio clips in general. Yeah, so that one's certainly mastering issues, right? Paid by the line, not by the hour. Yeah. Put a fish in a brine pool. Okay, right. But that's like a bucket of salt, essentially. That's salt with a little bit of water.
Where's the soy sauce?
Wait, what the hell is what is this shadow? What's going on here? Well, okay, fair. It is pure salt, I guess.
It's by the pot.
Apply salt directly on something. Yeah. I suppose.
Where's the knife?
Yes, it's just like replays the. Maybe there isn't like a workbook
It's
with
on
these.
the plate.
Shadow of the cupboard in the background? Really?
Where's the fork?
Where's the fuck? Oh, I love that. I can't do the I guess. Fork.
It's under the table.
Is like the English R like that that uncommon? The meaning of what the fuck? Yeah. What the fork? Yeah. This one has to be mastering. Thus wondering if it's evidence for other issues also being that. Yeah, I mean I could absolutely see that. I could absolutely see it being
Where's the
mastering
salt?
issues, especially the earlier tapes, you know? And when I mentioned that I had finished dumping all these tapes on the Nest Dev Discord, someone else had mentioned that there might be other revisions of these tapes to like fix issues with them.
It's in the basket.
So I have now 2 sets of the Enjoy English tapes now. So I'm gonna have to, I guess, fucking record the other set of English tapes to see if they're different or what or whatnot, right? That's gonna be a pain in the ass. The one you put your tongue in the back of your mouth. Yeah. Yeah, like curling your tongue. Curl up a little bit. There's like 4 different R's. Yeah. There's an R that's back here. That's like a German R, right? Right. Then there's like the English R, which is a little bit further forward, and then there's the rolling R, right? I don't know. Please pass the salt.
Please pass me the salt.
Please pass me the salt. Just so that I have a 440 hertz physical resonator to use as a reference for tuning a piano. It's a fork in A.
Here you are.
Here you are. You're not holding the salt. Your arm's up, but you ain't holding nothing. Wait. Oh. I spoke too soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. I know the TH sound is like English and maybe another language. Dutch has all 4 of them. Let him cook. I'm letting the octopus cook. It's probably a bad idea, but I'll let him cook.
物がある場所の言い方、わかったかしら。何々のそばに
何々
は by、
by
何々の上には on、
上 on top of
何々の下には under、
下
何々の中には
中に
in。
in
自分の身の回りのものを見ながら使い分けてみましょう。
Wait. Put it all back? Don't make me do this again. Okay. Like, I thought technically only has 14 basic vowel sounds, but with dialects included, it's way too many.
Where's the bread?
It's on the plate.
God, this is the third time we got.
It's by the pot.
Yeah, dialects kind of just
Where's
like
the
throw
egg?
wrenches
It's in
into
the
everything,
basket.
you know?
Where's the
It's under the table.
Because dialects will not only like change what words people use, but like pronunciation of those words. Huh? That's a big fucking pearl. Goddamn.
ねえねえジョニー、海のお祭りでこんなゲームやってるわよ。
Another game.
ほら、真珠探しゲームだって。海底のあちこちにいる真珠貝さんに真珠パールはどこですかと聞きましょう。
Where's the
きっと
pearl?
教えてくれますよ。
Where is it?
でも I don't know 私は知りません。
知りません。
という回もいるから
私は
根気よく
知りません。
探してね。
I don't know. わからない。知りません。
3つのパールをうまく見つけることができればミス海祭りさんとデートができるんですって。ジョニー、頑張って。
All right.
All right. Look at him go. I don't know why that looks so funny. I don't know why. Oh man. Okay. All right. Oh, what did that say? I didn't even get a chance to see what that said. Oh. Okay. All right. I'm not even sure where or how exactly one can draw the line between different dialects versus different languages. Yeah, it's more of a gradient, not exactly a solid line. Wait, what the huh? Pearl. This one? Come on. What do you say? What do you say there? Do you have a pearl? That's all that is. That's all that's saying. God. Okay, so I need a. All right. It's saying, "Hey, do you have a pearl?" What is this in English? Do you like a pearl? Do you want a? Do you have one? Bing.
No, I don't.
Oh. Okay. They don't. No, I don't. What? What? Hold on. Stop. What? The fuck? What were you dictating? I think it started reading chat. What the fuck? Okay, sure. Try this again. Ask where it is. All right. Okay. Where's the pearl? Do you know? Where do you live? Do you have a pearl? What about chicken, though? You need to ask the clam
It's
if
on
they
the
like
plate.
chicken. What'd they say? I wasn't listening. This moved. You have ask if you have, right? Okay, it's gonna be that.
Yes, I do.
Oh! Yes, I do. Can I have it, please? Now, what are you asking? Ask about the location of other gems? What are you, fucking Sonic, looking for the Chaos Crystals or some shit?
I don't know.
I don't know. Fair. Find another? Is that what that says? Choose a shellfish. Okay. Sure. Let me. Oh, okay. So I found one. Can I not like go into? I can't go in. All right. All right. Johnny's dancing all night. Okay. Yep. Swimming. See, we swimming around. By the fork. All right. Do you have a pearl? Do you like a pearl? Do you want a pearl? Do you have a pearl?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Get out of here. Where is it? Wait, so those are answers that are recorded.
I don't know.
I don't know. Get out of here. So does it matter which one I choose now? Let's choose the same one. I've heard it. It says, no, you can't do that one again. Let's go to a different one. Let's go over to the spoon. Do you have a pearl?
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, I wasn't expecting that, but all right. Actually, you know what? Hang on. We got that still open, right? Yeah. Where is this stuff?
Where's the soy sauce?
Nope, not that.
No, I don't. It's on the plate.
Yes, I do.
Oh. It seeks here.
Yes, I do. I don't know.
No, I don't. I don't know.
No, I don't. It's under the table.
Yes,
Cheater.
I do.
Yes, I like that one. Okay, is this going to be under the table?
It's under the table.
Under the table, yeah, okay. Oh, that's a plate. So it said it was on the plate before. Okay. So yeah, these answers are set in stone, more or less, regardless of who I pick. Congested, yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. I love these voices. Yes, I do.
I don't know.
I don't know. Get out of my face. Okay, find another one. So we're gonna swim on over here. You got a pearl?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Okay. Where? Whermst. Where's the pearl? Where is it? Where's
It's
my
in the
morning bitch?
basket.
It's in the basket. Okay. Bada bing. No, I don't. Slams door. Yeah. Slam shell.
Yes, I do.
Ah, I found all of them. Found all the chaos. I mean, pearls. Who? What? Who are you? Wait a minute.
Johnny, やったかっこいい。
かっこい
じゃあ、物のある場所の言い方を Tic-tac-toe と一緒に歌って覚えましょう。
Let's lose the game of tic-tac-toe. Let's go. I don't like your eyes either, miss. Yay, perfect. Congratulations. Okay. Mumbled without opening his shell much. Yeah, right? No, I don't. No, go away. Why is there a pause there? Why wouldn't the pause have been the previous screen where there was text to read? Instead, it's paused on a blank screen. I guess like right at the beginning of the fucking music or whatever. I don't know. Is the game of tic-tac-toe? Oh my god, this again! It's different scenery.
Where's the bread?
They're really juicing these voice lines.
Where's the lemon?
It's by the pot.
For 30-year-old
Where's the
software.
egg?
Listen,
It's in the basket.
I'm gonna complain,
It's
okay?
under the table.
Yeah, they just copy pasted the audio for this, by the way, because he talks over her every single time. Floor this. God. All right, back on the boat.
私、よく
Burger
なくしちゃうんだけど、君はどう？
Modo.
Where is the eraser? なんて言いながら
Eraser？
探したら案外すぐ見つかるかも。試してみて。それじゃあ、see you later.
Bye. Dun dun. What does that say? Let me see what that says. What I really should be doing is trying to read the damn thing instead of just pulling up Google Translate. What are you saying? Next, let's summarize what we learned in the text. Okay. Okay. This better not be a quiz. What happened to tic-tac-toe? I thought we were doing tic-tac-toe. No. Okay. Also, didn't Johnny say he wanted tea and now he's eating a burger? Or was eating a burger when everyone else is having tea? Damn it, Johnny. It's a big pencil.
チェックテスト。
Check the test.
Sa-
Uh-oh. Let's... We're
まずはヒア
failing.
リング問題に挑戦。
No fun
テ
allowed.
キストの準備ができたら A ボタンを押してね。
Was there a workbook with this one? Does he have dice? Johnny.
問1。これから英語で文を2回言います。
What the fuck?
よく聞いて、テキストから同じ文の番号を選びましょう。Is this a banana? Is this a banana?
This is a banana. Is that a dart you have, Johnny? What the fuck?
問2。
Yeah, I remember those too.
これ
The
から英語で文を
big
2回
fucking
言い
thing.
ます。
Yeah.
よく聞いて、テキストから同じ意味の文の
I don't
番
like
号を
that
選
die.
びましょう。It's on the plate.
It's on the plate.
It's on the plate.
Is this a banana? It's on the plate. Okay. Could murder people with those.
次はテキストの問題に挑戦。テキストの問題が終わったらテープに答えを入れてね。
Oh, fuck, it is. No. Oh, no. Oh. Well, we're failing this. We're going to choose 2 for every single one of them. So yeah, there's a workbook for this then. Let's play the guessing game. I mean, I could save scum this. And should I just save scum it? And hang on. I think I'm gonna. Hang on. Push it. Yeah, you can do that. Push Nathan. Save state. Shift 1. Okay, and then I can just load the state. That's fine. So we're trying. Let's go with 1s for all of them. Okay, we're gonna figure out which ones are good or bad. Then we're gonna load the state and find out that the state stuff for this is broken. Oh. Okay. 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 Okay, take a screenshot, pause, load state, that one. Over here, and then over here, and then scroll down a bunch. Okay. So, it is 1. Then we'll try 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Or Hex 69. Nope. Okay. All right. Okay. Pause. Screenshot. Load state. I'm getting 100% on this, damn it. All right. So, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Look how smart I am. Save's coming to the rescue. Woo! 100. Let's go. Oh! Yatta. Next page. If we left it's coming right. Oh, I get it.
結果はどうだったかな。間違ったところはテキストの考え方をよく読んで復習しておこうね。
よく読んだ。I'm having trouble understanding the concepts in the text. I'll read it carefully and study thoroughly. But like, can you? I don't think you'll be able to see how it like. No, you can't see how it. How about now? Yeah, look at what it did to that text. Look at that. Look how it what? Just fucking on top of each other. Like, that's a mess. That's a mess. 10th of September 2001. Tell people, not so what will happen, but to buy Apple stock. Jesus. All right. Next page. All right. Now I have to wonder, if you're doing a frame recording and load a save state, will it rewind the recording? Good question. I don't know. I suspect not, because it probably just like writes out. What?
ここは楽しい言葉ゲームの楽園さあ君も僕と勝負してみないか今日は体の部分の名前が言えるようになっちゃうよ
That derailed me
まずはゲームの
entirely.
前にチャーリーと一緒に It's my eye 私の目ですの歌を歌いながら
It's my eye
体の部分の名前を覚えよう
Jesus. All right. What? Oh, no. Oh, God. An eye exam? I'm going to fail. But yeah, so I suspect that it writes out to disk as it records. So I don't think save scumming will, like, rewind, per se. That's my guess, anyway. That's my guess. The regular duck, yeah. Just we're buying this stock changes thing. If the Apple doesn't work out anymore, I'm okay with that. Just scrub your eyes before it, right? So why does he have a chef's hat on? Okay.
What's this?
It's my eye.
What's this?
Who are you?
It's my mouth.
What's this?
It's my ear.
What's this?
It's my elbow.
What's this?
Who are these
It's
people?
my
How'd you get in here?
chest.
What's this?
It's my hand.
Hand.
This.
It's my knee.
What's this?
It's my foot.
We can do it anyway, so the file. I rather doubt it does. We kind of need that, yeah. Welcome back, R1D1. I didn't get any emote of him now, I think. R1D1. Next page. Beep, boop, boop, boop. Careful where you point on that thing. Where you going? Okay, bye. The budget edition, yeah. Okay, that's all that scene. All right. What's with that wallpaper? That's disgusting wallpaper right there. I'll tell you what. Inform me someone that their elbow is the bendy bit in the middle of their arm.
勝負するゲームをメラニーに選んでもらおう
Gambling? What?
Stepping stone game.
よーし今日のゲームはステッピングストーンゲームだ
This isn't stepping stones. This is gambling. What are you on about? Gotta condition the kids early. What is this now? Frogger? We did actually, didn't we? Or no, that was was it like a crane game or something? Give me a second to fix my green screen that I see popping up here. Hang on. Okay, I can't fix it. Cool. Neat. Yay, shitty camera. Woo! I don't... God damn it. I forgot to turn my other light on. I think it was it? Maybe. Anyway, I actually have to hit the bathroom real quick, so I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. All right. I think we talked about gambling through the Studybox before. Probably a tape with a very similar graphic. But it being this tape, I'm not sure about. Yeah, it wasn't this tape, because this is the first time I'm playing through this tape. Don't recognize the rest of the teams more likely to just used it before. Yeah, so this tape, as far as I'm aware, hasn't been dumped before. As far as I'm aware. Hissing noise, I'm about to lose another computer. So there's a slight hiss on, or static on my mic due to the compressor I'm using. Very slight. It's more of a static, not really a hiss though, I don't think. But yeah, I could have swore there was another one. I don't know. So the recordings, by the way, of these that I've been doing, I have a few of them up on YouTube. They're unlisted right now. But I do plan on like having them in a playlist and all that kind of stuff, right? These guys here. Right? All this stuff. Yeah, one of these had a machine in a slot machine, and I could have swore, right? There it is. We found it. The hell am I reading? Oh, that's a fun one. Or the most recent one. The most recent one with the faces. That one's fucking adorable. I love that one. Hang on, let me called it. Yeah. Yep. Sign in. Come on. Why'd you forget me? But yeah. So, Gemma, if it's this one you're talking about, that is from this right here. The one from the 7th. Oh, that one. That is where is it? Where is this? Is this the summoner one? Where the hell? I thought it was recent. Hang on, let me find it real quick. It's on page 2. This one. This one's good. This one's good. I'll drop a link to that in Discord. Do you feel like this isn't the only instance we've seen it before too? Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. If we had other instances, I really wouldn't be surprised. Okay, so what the hell are we doing here?
これから飛び石を踏んで川を渡ってもらおう。ただし、これから読み上げた順番に石を踏まないと石は崩れて急流に流されてしまう。さあ、無事向こうまで渡れるかな？よし、始めるぞ。
So what the hell am I supposed to do? Hang on. Let me. No, I'm not gonna save something. Fuck it.
Hand.
What? Huh? Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, Senpai. I guess that the stuff that I remove the space. I guess the stuff that I added in the settings did fuck all. Who the fuck did he add? What the shit?
Mouth.
Yeah, it wasn't a link. Mouth. Lips, really, but remove the space. Go to hell. You know what TLD doesn't get cut by link detection? Yeah.
Foot. foot.
We're bullying a person.
Ear.
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 I noticed the whole screen flashed, by the way. Did it redraw this screen? Hang on. I need to... Hold up. I need to satisfy my curiosity now. We're just going to have this. It fucking did. It redrew the entire goddamn screen and changed the name table it was using. Why? Why? Why do you change the screen like that? Power blipped. Uh-oh. It makes no sense to advance the screen like that. Is that like an engine-specific thing? I feel like it's got to be an engine-specific thing. Oh my god. Redraws the entire fucking thing and then goes to it. So terrible. Where are you going, Johnny? It's easier for the script to that instead of just updating whatever it needs to. I mean, I don't know. Do you have some terrible development environment? Well, yeah, never does present that. Or just never bother with probably utilizing the hardware. I mean, I guess. I don't know. But like that right there, like that.
Yosh!
I don't know. Like it kind of like screams like another game. Like like they're using an engine function, and the engine function, opcode, whatever the hell, just draw screen advance, right? Or next scene, like a next scene opcode or whatever, right? And all that opcode does is draw on the next fucking screen and go there. God, and like be associated with fucking audio, whatever. What do you say? I didn't catch that. And I hate it. I hate that way of doing it. Oh my god. I'm actually going to open up tile viewer as well. Put this somewhere. I don't need it that large. There we go.
Yosh!
Yosh!
今度のゲームは Seashell Concentration Game!
Oh, fuck.
早い話が貝殻の神経衰弱さ。
海外?
2枚をめくって同じ意味の貝殻だったら君のものだ。もたもたしてると僕が全部取っちゃうぜ。さあ、
Computer does not like having all these open at the same time. Oh my god. All right, what's in the middle? Mouth. And then up one? Holy shit. Teru? Toru. What was that? Was that? Shit. I should know what that was. Was that Toru? Hang on. It was. Okay. Yeah. All right. Ear. Foot. Nope. Oh shit. Hand. Eye. What was? Foot. There. Okay. Yep. Hand. Shit. No. Bastard. Arthur's horny AF. Yeah. It's a fun one though. I don't know. It's fun. I enjoy it. I got it good. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Jesus. Next page. Oh, man.
ふん、まあまあってとこだな。せいぜい練習しておくんだな。次の勝負を楽しみにしてるぜ。じゃあな。
じゃあな。Oh. I like those trees over there. That's actually pretty well done. The art for that. Huh? What are the towers? Oh Jesus!
元気？今日はいよいよケビンとの決
What are
勝
the
戦。
towers doing here?
同志は俺の
Huh?
ことを
Can I get it paused on?
アンダーファイターなんだから必ず優勝できるって言うんだけど、まだピンとこないんだよね。とにかく月平仙人に教わったムーンケーキトリッ
Oh
ク
no!
の
You're
ケ
right.
ビンのジャックナイフクローを防ぐことさえできれば。
Oh no! 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 No!
思うんだけど
No! 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 Wait! Can you stop flashing? Oh my god! What the fuck? Huh?
修行の時は月平仙人がテーブルの
Jet fuel candles, steel
だ
beams!
からその名前でステップすればよかったけど、試合の時はどうしたらいいんだろう。
精神を統一して念じるのじゃ。そうすれば頭の中に思い浮かぶ。思い浮かんだらその名前の綴りを素早
I
く
mean,
ス
maybe.
テップするのじゃ。
Possibly?
わかったな。
はい、
頑張ってください。
じゃあ行ってくる。
Okay, bye. でくる。
というわけでついに
What？
決勝戦です。ケビンのジャックナイフクローをムーンケークトリックで防ぎましょう。
Mooncake
剣
trick?
の思い浮かべたものの絵を見て次々と素早くその名前の綴りをステップしてください。ケビンが疲れてきたらチャンスです。
What? I am so lost. So thoroughly lost. It's every single page, even when explaining what the devils are. Oh boy, what's this? Yes. Yes, but it's a good one. Trust me. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck? What? Huh? plate, I guess. Okay. Who are you? Wait, what? Huh? Oh boy. Pencil, pineapple. What is it? Pencil, apple, pineapple, pen, or something? Pen, pineapple? Yeah. P-E-N. Penis! Ah! Ow, you bastard! C. I. L. Okay. Pencil. What? What do you mean no? Huh? I forgot the I. See, I-L? Ow, you bastard! Penkle. What the fuck is that? Ham? No. It's not. Is it steak? That doesn't seem right. It's a funny manga. Yeah. See, it's funny. Horny as hell, but it's funny. Cookie? There's no O's. What the fuck kind of... Meat? Let's try that. Let's try that. Nope. It didn't like that. It didn't like meat. What the hell else will this be? Not cake or anything like that, right? It's Wacky Block the game design. I wish I knew what the hell that was. What else can we make with these letters? There's no H, though. There is an H. I'm blind. That's what it was. All right. All right. Salad. S. A. L. It's A-D, right? Salad. Or a salad. Salad. All right. Pie. Pie. Nope. Cake. Cakey. There we go. Okay. Yay! Yay! Born and raised American. Two raised south, an A or an E at the end. Oh. What is this now? What? What the shit is this? What is happening? What is happening? Oh God. All right. Wow.
よーし、ケビンはヘトヘトになってる。
Just over the right? I don't have any sake right now, I don't think.
あれ、どうしても ケビンの弱点が見えてこない。
Towards the yeah.
どうすればいいんだ。
Those don't even. I don't know what you're gonna do.
誰かが妨害しているようだ。いいか。
いいか
これからわしがケビンのどこを攻撃したらいいか教えてやるから。その通り。
His voice was a little wavy
キックする
there.
のだぞ。
わかりました。
I
ロ
wonder if that
ー
was
シ
the best. Wakarimashita. What the fuck? What is happening?
さあ老子がテレパシーでケビンの弱点を知らせてきます。
I thought that the green guy died.
ケビンの体の部分をキックしましょう。
Let's kick him. Let's kick him in the nuts. Grab his dick and twist it. He just got tortured. What? Punch him in the mouth. What? Fucking kick him in the teeth. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Oh. Sunlight silver or wooden stakes. Oh, you ever seen shit the Demi anime Demi-chan something want to interview Demi girls or whatever the fuck. One of the characters is a vampire or whatever, right? And they're going over like the stereotypes that don't hold up, right? Like, oh, is garlic poison? And she's like, no, I love garlic. It's real strong, kind of thing, right? So she flipped into this book of like stereotypical vampire bullshit, right? She was a vampire or whatever, right? She finds one that's like, gotta stick a stake through its heart in order to kill it. And she goes, this will probably kill me. And the teacher goes, well, yeah, that would probably kill anybody, honestly. So that's what I thought of. Knee. Ow. Kick him in the knee. Okay. Kick him in the dick. Chest. Get. Wait, what? I'm dead. I died. What was it? I only heard half of it. Demi-chan something. Interviews with Monster Girls, that one. This one. Fantastic show, by the way. This is a good one. This is a really good one. Yeah, this one in the middle. She's a vampire. Yeah. That's like Snowman. This, Yuki Onna, Snow Girl or whatever. This one's Dulahan. That one's sister. But normal person. This is the MC here. And this is one of the teachers, and she's a succubus, which is why she's all covered, because she doesn't want to cause issues. And that interaction is funny, actually, between these two. It's real good. It's real wholesome, funny show. What is this? Is he saying, oh, try again, you're dead. You're dead. As good as dead. I don't like hearing that from you, sir. What are you saying? Once again! Again! Another! Have you guys seen that, by the way? The, not the, another one. The, interviews with very important people? Mouth. Kick him in the teeth. Kick him in the teeth. Kick him in the teeth. Okay, kicked him in the teeth. Do I have like health somewhere? Knee. Okay. Chest. What the fuck? Why? Again. Okay. Mouth. Got him. Get over here. Okay. Chest. Spamming the button. I broke it? Won't let me hit the button! It didn't let me hit the button! This bullshit. Reminds me of a story I read recently, like yours. Someone was talking to a vampire about their weakness. I asked them about silver bullets. You're thinking werewolves, though regular bullets would work probably. Oh. Copper Sheds? Welcome, how you doing? Or Copper Sheds? Which one is it? Welcome, how you doing? This game is fucking rigged. Stop it! Already dead. Try again. Speed. Quarter speed. Go to hell. Mouth. Then we're gonna jump. Kick him in the teeth. Shut up. Yeah, kicked him in the teeth. All right. Then in the knee. Got him in the knee. Okay. I can do this from pretty far away, actually. Okay. Next. In the chest. Bah! Got him. All right. Pause. Settings. Speed. Normal. Yeah. Elbow? What? We started that silver rumor ourselves. It's a piss poor metal to try to kill anyone with. The werewolf. In a fanfiction. It's a piss poor metal to kill anyone with. That's funny. That's good. Break his kneecaps. I guess that's just in the chest again. Foot. Okay. Eye. Kick him in the teeth. Kick him in the face. I got him. Woo! That's so terrible. Ow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, do I always lose that? What kind of rigged bullshit is this?
Yep.
But I still won?
Congratulations.
つい
Congratulations.
にやった。俺は全米美術大会に優勝したんだ。
待ちなさいケン。
Hold it right there. And she's so unimpressed.
お、なんだマイコじゃないか。
マイコ？
どこ行ってたんだよ。
喜ぶのはまだ早いわ。今度は私と勝負よ。
Ha!
何冗談言ってんだよマイコ。いや、本気かよ。
Next, you're fighting me. What do you want about? Not so fast. Now it's my turn. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait.
全米武術大会に優勝して
Made
喜
it
ん
the
だ
wooden stake
のに
to the heart thing because
マイコの様
spoilers.
子が変ですそういえばさっきもケビンの応援席にいたようだったしどうしたというのかしらとても大変なことが起きそうな予感がしますますます目が離せない冒険活劇 The Legend of Thunder 次回もケンを応援してね
Next page. So I guess this one decoded fine. I don't know. I don't know how much longer we have of this tape. I've also heard of witches making up the burning thing, even one who liked to be burned. I'm sorry? R1, what are you doing up there? And who's the redhead? Who's the kid?
パワーアップ。
Power
ちょ
up.
っと難しい英語や外国の問題に挑戦。スタートボタンを押してさあ始めよう。
Oh no.
制限時間内に君はいくつ答えられるか
Another
な。
test. Let's go. On the stake. who'd like to be put on the stake? Whoa. This is new. Get the save state ready. You know what? Yeah, let's do that. Let's get the save state ready. That one was Harry Potter book 2 or 3. I think.
果物の桃はピーチ。では、スモモはなんて言う？
スモモ。なんて言う？
A. Plum.
スモモ。
B. Grape.
Let's say A. Plum. Oh, we got it right. Okay. Save scum.
イカのことはスクイットとかカドルフィッシュという。では、タコは
Taco.
A. Tuna.
Nope.
B. Octopus.
Octopus. Pretty bad if I got this one wrong. I like the design of this quiz. This one here. Hold up. Save state.
甘いは sweet。酸っぱいは sour。
Yes.
では、カレーが辛いときはなんて言う？
Huh? Karage?
A. Hot. B. Bitter.
Bitter. Nope. Okay, pause. Load. It's A. Load state. That one.
甘いは sweet。酸っぱいは sour。では、カレーが辛いときはなんて言う？ A. Hot.
Hot.
B.
Hot, hot, hot.
Bitter.
Good. All right. All right, what is this? This activates my trap pillow. Your change pillow is destroyed. What? What kind of pillow is that? It's a good manga. I'd love to see it animated someday. It's save state.
バスケットの中には in the basket。
In the basket. Yep.
では、バスケットの後ろにはなんて言う？
You sure? You sure?
A. Under the basket.
Yeah.
B. Behind the basket.
Under, I think. Nope. Okay. It was behind. Load.
バスケットの中には
Yeah, exactly.
では、バスケットの後ろに
I think it's a play on the yes no pillows.
A. Under the basket. B. Behind the basket.
Okay, there we go. Last one. Save state.
英語で背中のことをなんて言う？ A. Back. B. Shoulder.
Let's just say shoulder. Fuck it. Nope. Okay, it was back. All right. File. Load state.
英語で背中のことをなんて言う？ A. Back.
It's A.
B. Shoulder.
Ba-da-ba-bing. Yay! I don't know why I had to redraw that, but sure.
いくつできたかな？テキストに詳しい説明が載っているから読んで確認しておこう。
there still more? There's still more on this? How? It's like a 40-minute tape. Jesus Christ. 40 minutes of tape. I think the other regular English ones were like 20 to a half an hour. As usual, flawless gameplay. Flawless. Hold up. Wait. Pause. These don't tile well. Is that just dog shit placement? I think that's just terrible placement. What the hell? It's so bad. Was it on purpose like that? Like what? That's an alligator. It's a gator. You don't want to be there, Johnny. Johnny. Huh?
Goodbye. See you next time.
Okay, bye. That's Florida for you, I guess, right? Suzuku. And that's just the end of it, I think. I guess it would be intended to mix up more for the forest, less uniform. I guess. I feel like they could have done that better. You know? Like, so they've had like forest landscapes in other tapes that have been designed better, right? This is just like, oh, we're gonna have a tree texture, we're just gonna fucking tile it. Fuck it. Whereas the others like actually like artistically went, this is a forest kind of thing, right? And did it well, right? So they had like, you know, some trees in the in like the foreground, and then like shades for the other trees, kind of, right? And it looked so much better. So much better. But yeah, okay, so this is the end of that tape. God damn. Took us, what, an hour to get through that, I think? A little more? That was a lot. I should have been fucking recording that. Honestly, it looks like one tile from a larger forest picture than repeated. Yeah, I don't know. Looks so weird, too. Like, I don't know. I feel just like they could have done it better, you know? Because, yeah, this, like, from here to here is one of them, right? One of the tiles. And then, like, that's the bottom over here. And they got the gator. Yeah. I don't know. That's so freaking weird. So freaking weird. What the hell? Some tile offsets? Yeah. It's all cut off? Yeah. I don't know. I suspect that's cut off, looks cut off there because that's probably on a attribute border, right? Yeah, it's on an attribute border, so that's why that looks cut off kind of down there. So they tried to blend from the forest to the gator, but did it piss poor, I guess. It's not even scrolled correctly. Oh my god. It's scrolled over by, what is that, 2 pixels? Too far? Also, the palette swapped a bit. For the upper ones? I don't know if they did for the upper ones up here. Yeah, they took the easy route for that. Bottom's palette stuff. I was talking about the light green tree on top of the darker one. This stuff here, or no? The cutoff canopy, part of the tree. Yeah. Yeah, that right there. I don't know. The animal style would be an over. I suppose. Still, comes across as lazy to me. I don't know. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. See, I took a few screenshots during that. Just a few. So from there all the way up to here's the ones I did today. 90 screenshots. I have to be careful going through this folder because some of these, like those ones, I can't actually show you on stream. And a lot more English ones. Yeah, so the reason I have so many of these, by the way, for the, especially these ones, is because, let me actually fire it up real quick. That one. And then that's not it. Not 80. 80. I want 1313. So I am, I think I showed this, right? Where I'm giving like a quick little blurb about each of the tapes and embedding the playthrough video that I've got of these.
Cap.
Right? And, you know, some screenshots and whatever. That's why I'm taking all kinds of screenshots for stuff. Was that the first one? Oh, okay. So yeah, it's the intro. Then there's this intro number 2. And then English 1, English 2, and then I haven't done the others. I'm getting there though. Oh. But yeah, so I figured I'll you know, short little write-ups of what's in each tape, right? I haven't done any of that one. Or that one, I guess. All right, I need to put those on there. Some hardware stuff I need to put up or write out. Some software stuff I need to write out. Tape format stuff I need to write out and make correct. I'll get stuff eventually, and this is all like work in progress crap, but yeah. Then I'll make the playthrough videos public so I can, I don't know. Yeah. So people can find them, I guess. Shows a lack of attention to detail, yeah. But on the other hand, such tricks are common in this era of hardware. Yeah, so I can't really blame them, honestly. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I think I need to wrap up because I'm tired. And I we're not going through another tape because that was like, what, an hour of this tape, I think? Right? This was a long one. This was fucking long. I don't have enough energy to go through another tape, that's for sure. But yeah. So I do plan on releasing these eventually once I confirm that what's it? The dumps are actually good and decent, right? They actually work. For the top left, it's even required for sprites to rely on the overscan. Right. Yeah. For the top stuff. Yeah. So I'm showing all of overscan here. I'm not cutting anything off. And there's in a bunch of scenes you'll see that one little square up here that's some random ass fucking tile, right? Not a good example here, but yeah, that upper tile is usually like a random tile that doesn't make any sense, right? Oh, I think actually this one's. Does that one have? Oh no, that's a scroll that I see there. But yeah, I suspect that's similar, right? Yeah, top left. It's like you'll see like letters up there sometimes. Yeah, those. See on this tape too, just not right now. Yeah, we've seen it. I think on every single tape. Depending on the scene, it'll be there. But yeah, that's expected to be in the overscan, right? But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. But yeah, so I'll be doing more of this stuff on Sunday. Tomorrow after off stream, I might see if I can get some waveform visualization things figured out. I don't know. Depends on how I'm feeling tomorrow. If not, I might do that on Sunday. But I do want to have better visualizations for debugging and even for this stuff that I'm writing up, right? It'd be nice to have visualizations of exactly what I'm talking about, right? Both to like be able to explain it better and to solidify my understanding of this stuff, right? Because my understanding's still murky a little bit with some things, right? But we're getting there. We are making progress. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, visualizations will help, I think. But anyway, let's see if anyone's live. Let's see if anyone else is live. We'll go say hi. Back to Twitch. But yeah, like I said, I'll be back on Sunday. I've done a little bit of visualization by outputting a wave and merging in tenacity. It's very limited. Something better would. Yeah, so I need to try a few things. I have an idea of one way to do something. It probably won't work. It's going to create a lot of fucking images, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to play around with it a little bit. I'll have to play around with it a lot of bit, I think. All right, let's see. Let's have a look at the category. Who we got doing something? Who we got doing things? Doing the things. No, just post live. Let's go say hi to him. Yeah. Yeah, so come with me to say hi. I'd appreciate it. Use case for the Go Game Lib. You know what? Possibly. I'll have to explore that. Yeah, that one. Ebiton, or however you pronounce that. Yeah. Quite possibly, actually. That might be a decent use case for this kind of thing. I don't know. I'll have to try it out. We'll see. Because I know that, like, the image manipulation that I'm thinking of doing probably wouldn't be very performant. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'll be back on Sunday doing something similar probably. I don't know. You guys have a good night. I will see you next time. Bye.